Now we have to remove the air conditioner air outlet on the plastic of the original car and install it on the plastic of the new screen. Now start to connect the wires. This is a double flashing wire. Let's plug it in. Then connect the power socket with the original car plug. Connect the reversing camera cable. Connect this other original car plug. Remember, the others do not need to be connected. Here we connect the Ford antenna, GPS antenna, and radio antenna, according to the hose. Then connect two USB cables to the jack, and then use this cable to bridge the USB output cable of the original car. Now we connect the black end of the power cord to the hole on the new screen. Finally, connect the radio antenna to the original car radio head to complete the wiring and then install the new car radio. Okay, as long as the cover is restored, the effect is only demonstrated here.